Hello Daad community. Today I'm discussing about machine learning in e-commerce is a technology that enables online retailers to analyze the large amounts of data to gain insights, automate processes and enhance the customer shopping experience. Here is a detailed look at how machine learning is being used in e-commerce. Personalized customer experience in machine learning. Product recommendations. Machine learning algorithms analyze the customer data, including past purchases, browsing history, and search queries to provide the personalized product recommendations. Personalized content. Websites can display the personalized content such as banners, deals, and product highlights based on individual customer preferences and behaviors. Improved search functionality in machine learning. Search result relevance. Machine learning improves the relevance of search results by understanding customer intent and preferences, leading to more effective product discovery. Visual search. Some e-commerce platforms use the machine learning to offer visual search capabilities, where customers can search for products using images instead of text. Inventory and supply chain management in machine learning. Demand forecasting. Machine learning algorithms can predict the future product demand, helping retailers manage inventory levels more effectively. Supply chain optimization. Machine learning can identify the patterns and insights to optimize the supply chain logistics, reducing the cost and improving the efficiency. Customer service enhancements in machine learning. Chatbots and virtual assistants. E-commerce sites use machine learning powered chatbots for customer service, providing the instant responses to customer inquiries and support. Automated responses and support. Machine learning can automate the responses to common customer queries, reducing the workload on customer service teams. Fraud detection and security in machine learning. Fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the transaction data to identify and prevent the fraudulent activities, enhancing the security for both the business and its customers. Risk management. By identifying the potentially risky transactions, machine learning helps e-commerce businesses manage and mitigate the risks associated with the online transactions. Marketing and sale optimization in machine learning. Predictive analytics for marketing. Machine learning is used in analyzing the customer data to predict future buying behaviors, enabling more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. Dynamic pricing. Machine learning enables dynamic pricing strategies where prices are automatically adjusted based on the demand, competition, and customer behavior. Challenges and considerations in machine learning. Data privacy and ethics. The use of customer data in machine learning raises concerns about privacy and ethics, requiring the transparent data policies and compliance with the regulations. Integration and implementation. Integrating machine learning into existing e-commerce system can be complex and resource intensive. Continuous learning and improvement. Machine learning models require continuous data input and refinement to stay effective and relevant. In summary, machine learning is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry by enabling more personalized experiences, efficient operations, enhanced customer service, and improved security. As the technology evolves, it is likely to play an even more significant role in shaping the future of online retail. Thank you very much for watching us. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel.